Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car LED headlight in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car LED headlights to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is LED headlight for Lexus GS300, GS350, GS430, GS460, GS450H, 3rd General. Number 4 is LED headlight for Toyota Camry Gen 2018 to 2023 La SE, XLE, XSE, TRD. As the item number 3 we selected, AKD car lights for BMW F32, 2012 to 2019 laser style DRL, 425i, 428i, 430i, 435i, signal headlamp. Specifications. Brand name, Oakting. Model name, AKD F32. Voltage, 12 volts. Special features, lighting. Material type, LED. Item diameter, 3. Item type, headlight assembly. Number 2 is Porsche Cayenne 2011 to 2018 high quality LED headlights 958.1 958.2 upgrade 9Y0. On the top of our list at number 1 we have car lights for Porsche Cayenne headlight 958.1, 958.2, 2011 to 2018 upgrade 2023.